Hey guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome to the channel where today I'm going to be showing you from start to finish my faulty LG OLED panel being swapped out for a brand new one. And trust me, when I say this video is shocking, I mean it's literally shocking. And if that isn't enough to make you chuckle in these dark times, then I don't know what is. Moving on now to a more serious note, and you guys are definitely going to want to tune into my follow-up video to this one, where I conduct the first vertical banding and burn-in test on the new panel. And trust me when I say it is by far the worst panel I have seen out of the box. And yeah, I think you guys will be very surprised. So make sure you tune in for that one, and I will put a link in the description for when that video goes live. So for any of you guys out there who don't follow the channel and are wondering why I'm getting the panel swapped out, well, reason being is that after 8 months of ownership, I noticed a few dead pixels appearing on the panel, and these progressively got worse over time. So I contacted LG about this just under the 1-year warranty period, and they asked me to send some proof of the dead pixels, which I did. And with that, they agreed to send out a couple of engineers to replace the panel. Now we got all that out of the way, I think it's time we crack on with the video. Right, so we got the guys here now from the repair company. What's the company you guys are from?
Electrical Logistics.
Right, excellent. And got the replacement panel, as you can see right there. And we've taken my set off the wall, taken the brackets off, and the repair process has begun.
And then everything off.
So do you guys do many of these?
2-3 a week.
Yeah.
Not drastic amounts, but.
And what's the most common fault you find?
Dead pixels.
Is it?
Yeah.
What about burning? Get many problems with those?
Not really.
No?
The odd shadow. Like in certain places.
Was it more common, was it, in the past? Like burning that, do you think?
Not really.
No? Because I know like a lot of people say that the newer models have better sort of anti-burning sort of features on them.
I'm just more, what's the word? Eco-friendly.
Yeah.
So less power used, so they don't burn as much.
Because that's like the main concern most of me viewers have, is burning with these. Everyone is all the horror stories.
No.
You know, playing games on them and all that. I've been doing each month a like a burning test to see if anything's occurred.
Oh, okay.
And you know, it's been sweet as a nut.
Yeah.
Absolutely nothing, to be fair. You know, apart from the dead pixels, you know, panel's been absolutely fine.
So LG as well are quite good at getting.
So what's this? Sorry, just to interrupt. What you've just taken off there, is that a speaker?
That's the main. That's the speaker.
Yeah.
That's the main board, which does all the thinking, like all the memory.
Yeah.
That's your control panel.
Okie dokie, yeah.
That's your T-con panel.
Right.
Which does all the colours and the screen, like lighting up the screen and that. And that's your power board. Just all the power for everything.
There's not a lot in there, is there?
No. A lot less than you'd think.
Yeah.
That one. Yeah, that comes with a new one.
What's the most common size you do?
The
big one.
Yeah, 55 and 65.
Yeah.
You never really get many smaller ones.
shock on that one.
You got a shock, I think?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Not sure now. Yeah.
So there's the replacement panel box itself. Nothing much to look at. As you can see there.
Yeah.
65-inch. So there's the old panel all dismantled already. Didn't take long at all. A lot quicker than I thought. Is that a different colour on the back or is that the same?
Yeah, it's different colour.
Okay.
Yeah, because that one's black on the back, isn't it? Yeah. Has it got protector film over it or anything?
It'll be on the front.
Yeah. It has got a film on the back. Yeah. Just
Oh yeah.
there. But yeah, this one's grey on the back and not black. So I don't know if that's the latest panel or anything like that, or if
They
they
usually change the colours so.
Yeah. Has the panels changed basically the same over the stayed the same over the years?
Yeah, the panels don't change that much. It's usually like the fascia around the edge.
Yeah.
I'll go from silver to black, or I'll change the logo slightly.
And just the guts of it really.
Yeah. Sorry, some of them come with one, some don't.
All right, yeah. And what are those?
Just their support brackets.
It's your support brackets.
All right, yeah.
We took them off the old one, but they've already got the new ones on.
All right, yeah, I see. And how many pixels do you generally find are dead, when you're doing a repair?
Anything from 1 to 10, 15.
Yeah.
It's never a lot, but enough to drive you.
And LG seem to warrant those, not a problem?
As far as I know.
Yeah.
As far as I know, as soon as there's a dead pixel, I don't really ask many questions.
Again, because a lot of people have been saying that, am I just getting this done because, I'm a YouTuber and all that?
Oh, no,
And
we've done a lot of these.
yeah, there you go, guys. So, you've heard it yourself there. This ain't just a one-off. Because again, a lot of people have been asking, how many dead pixels have you got to add, sort of before they warrant it and,
So that's why I think, as long as you can get a picture of it,
yeah.
that's fine.
So yeah, I think a lot of people are going to be surprised that you ain't turned around and said, oh, we're swapping them week in, week out, burning, white nightmare. So many horror stories you hear, so many people turn around and say they'll never buy one, because of the burning risk and all that. So
it's one of them, anything manufactured,
yeah,
you're going to get one out of so many that's going to have a fault of some sort.
That's it. This is what I've said before, anything can break. I've had things broken out of the box, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So yeah, I am surprised how little there is to it, to be honest. I thought it'd be a bit more complex than that, but no, it's pretty basic, isn't it?
Yeah, really good to be fair.
Are they one of the easier TVs to fix?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of
Do you deal with like other manufacturers, or is it just LG?
mainly LG,
Yeah,
but our company do TV repairs on every make and model really.
yeah. And what's your TV preference then? QLED or an OLED?
I do like the OLEDs.
You do like an OLED, yeah? Yeah, there you go. I've got both, so... but personally for me, I do prefer the OLEDs myself as well. You've got the brightness on the QLEDs, but I just think you can't beat the picture quality really on an OLED. The blacks and everything just make it pop. Do you do any repairs on Samsungs?
Only not from brand new.
No.
We don't cover the warranty on them.
Yeah. What's that? Just the speakers being wired back up there again?
Yeah, all the speakers back in main board.
Not too dusty in there or anything?
No. You do get some that get quite dusty, but...
Yeah.
Alright, that's it.
And that's it all done already, is it?
Yeah.
Mad. There you go. So what happens with this panel? Just
Same
go...
back to LG.
Yeah.
Repair them.
Ah, right. That surprises me. I thought it'd end up in a skip or something.
Bit expensive for that, isn't it?
And what happens with the repaired ones? Do you know? Do they go out sort of refurbed units or something like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, ready.
Oh, better for the environment, I suppose. There we go. All done already. Going back up on the wall.
No way.
Is it central?
Let's have a look. That way a bit. That'll do. That'll do. Yeah, that's spot on. Excellent. Do you want to hammer that?
Yeah, thank you. Slip that good enough.
There we go. I've got a screen, got the cover on it, innit? The
You just pull it.
I was wondering where that mark
good. Right, so first turn on. That's how I'll run.
Yeah.
Fire up YouTube.
Put that back in there now.
There we go. All done. So the old one just now going back in the box to be sent back to LG. There we go, we've got HDR playing absolutely fine. Speakers all working. And nothing would have been reset or anything like that. It's in the settings. That all keeps the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All your channels.
That's great.
Logins for everything.
Yeah. So yeah, real straightforward. And yeah, a lot quicker than I thought. Can't believe how quick that was. I thought you'd be here for like at least an hour and a half or something, at 2 hours.
So a good thing about these ones.
Yeah.
Obviously, any problems, just give LG a shout and
great.
sort it out.
Hopefully it'll be good when I do me testing tonight with it. So yeah, all looks good. So there we go. Panel is now all replaced. And yeah, I thought that was quite amusing when the guy got a bit of a zap off the board there. I must admit I wasn't going to leave it in, but with the dark times we're in, I thought, well, you know, you could all do with a bit of cheering up out there, and I thought it was quite amusing, so I thought I'd keep it in. Like I said earlier, you guys are going to want to tune in to my follow-up video to this, and like I said, I will put a link in the description to that where I do a proper in-depth test on this panel, and like I said, it is not good at all. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this video today, and if you have, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more of the same in the future, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, and don't forget, make sure you hit that bell icon, because otherwise you will not get notified of my latest uploads. So, thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.